Situated on the first hole of Canyon Cate Country Club with stunning views of Red Rock Canyon, this home offers tasteful renovations, a spacious open floor plan, and a serene lifestyle. Welcome to 1613 Iron Ridge, securely located in the guard-gated community of Canyon Cate.
This two-story home is perfect for entertaining, with large format tile, picture windows to capture the beautiful surroundings, and a spacious great room with a wet bar and a linear fireplace. This fully remodeled kitchen offers a large island, under-counter wine storage, and high-end appliances by Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Dacor.
Step outside to enjoy the built-in grill and covered patio, backdropped by tranquil fairways.
Upstairs, the den offers additional entertainment space, complete with a wet bar, fireplace, and a balcony with elevated views.
The owner's suite is your personal retreat, featuring balcony access, dual closets, a fireplace, and a spa-like bathroom with a rainfall shower, jetted tub, and beauty counter. 3 additional ensuite bedrooms complete this home, 1 on the main level and 2 on the upper level. Canyon Cate's centerpiece is its 18-hole championship golf course, featuring tranquil lagoons and 160 acres of lush fairways. At the heart of Canyon Cate is the exclusive members-only country club, where members enjoy access to a range of amenities, including gourmet dining, a swimming pool with a spa, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and outdoor tennis and pickleball courts. This community is conveniently located minutes from premier shopping, dining, and entertainment at Tivoli Village and downtown Summerlin, home of City National Arena and the Las Vegas Ballpark.
I'm Monica, Director of Sales at the Rob Jensen Company. If you're interested in exploring this incredible home and learning more about life at Canyon Cate, contact us to schedule your private tour of 1613 Iron Ridge today.